Hey there, my name is Cicero Moraes, and in this video we will start to cut the bones with the osteotomy. So I have to hide this face, or it's not need to hide this face. We only see this layer that have the mandible, and we go to osteotomy. Okay. And the first we can put chin plane. Chin plane, you can see the chin plane here. I am seeing from right, and I will move with G and put it. Oops, I have to change the pivot to median point. So I rotate it and put here. It's a good opportunity to click in N, go down and select the option ambient occlusion and change the strength for 5. With this we can see better the edges of the objects. So the next thing is to put the left humerus plane, that is the plane to cut, and from front I put here and from right I put here. It's not needed to create right humerus plane, because you only have to shift D to copy, duplicate, and X to put it move only in this axis. Okay, now I will select the 3 objects and click in joint all. So all cut plane is together. Now I select the mandible, shift select the cut planes, and now I will click in cut boolean. Some seconds after, when the boolean is done, you can see the cut objects. Sometimes can happen this, I don't know why, but I will select in object mode and delete it, vertices. Okay, so you can see all objects separated. Okay, all osteotomies separated. The mandible osteotomy was finished. Now I will go to the upper part in the bone, and I will put the maxilla plane. The maxilla plane is here, and I will move it down to cut here. But if sometimes the object is not in a good place, I will put a little in the front part. I imagine we can cut it. So to cut, we select the first the skull, shift after the cut plane, and now we can click on cut boolean and wait until finish the calc. Usually they calculate a little more, because I have a complex object here. We have a skull with a lot of objects, but fortunately it's already done. So when I select here, this part is separated. Now I select the down part, and I have one. I will select all the objects. This with shift and left right mouse button, this and this. Okay, we selected 1 2 3 4 5 6 objects, right? Once you have all these objects selected, you have to go to setup osteotomy auto and click once, and automatically Blender will set up all these objects. Okay, Blender will set up this object automatically and change the names with the name of each object. And now you have to click in the layer that is present the face, select the face, and go down until set up soft tissue dynamics. But I will stop a little. I will see in front 8B to create a clipping border, and I will show you that when you select the object for example this maxilla, when you move, nothing happens with the face. Okay, look. But when I select the face and click the setup soft tissue dynamics, oops, I forgot a thing. When you work directly with the CT scan, you have this. I pressed Ctrl Z to come back. You have this situation. The face is son of the bones, so the bones the bone is father of the face. So you have to select the face and click Alt P to clear the parent. So select the face, Alt P, and select the clear and keep transformation. Now the face is not son of the bone. Okay, and you can work without problem. So once you select the face and the face is not more son of the skull, and you are maybe asking why this happened. Well, originally when you use OrtogOnBlender, you don't use the CT scan like the face. You use the photogrammetry of the face. The face is scanned by photogrammetry. So when you have the photogrammetry, you don't need to do this object son of the other objects. Okay, but in this case, like it's only example, we will use the tomography. Well, you already take out the parent of this object. Now you can select the face and go to setup soft tissue dynamics. And now, after you do this, you can select the osteotomy. You see from right. You can move it, and the objects will move respecting the bones, the movement of the bones. But you can see that when we move the bones, the points don't move together. These points and the points inside don't move together. In the next video, we will start to work with the points, and I will show you how to create spreadsheets with the informations of the positions before and after the surgical plane. But in this part of the tutorial, you already you already can move the objects and move move the soft tissue. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, and I will save here. Bye bye.